Hello, welcome to Love at Home. It's me, Kim. So for today, I'm going to share with you the different experiences that I have for my week 9 of pregnancy. So I haven't really memorized everything, but good thing I've written everything down on my notebook by day. So I'm going to share you what I've experienced by day. So week 9 is from March 29 up to April 4. I hope you don't mind me eating. I'll eat while I'm chatting with you guys because I'm kind of hungry right now. And I don't really eat chips, but yeah, I don't know. Pregnancy makes me do a lot of crazy things. Don't worry, I don't eat chips every day. I eat chips probably once every 2 weeks or probably once a month, but before I'm not really into chips. Right now I am. Anyway. March 29, I only had nausea, so that's my day 1 of week 9. March 30, I vomited twice in the evening, but for the entire day I had nausea. March 31, I was sweating in the middle of the night, and I had nausea and headache. So the symptoms that I experience varies from day to day. So I also had a stuffy nose and I was sneezing a lot. And for March 31, I also vomited 5 times in the evening. So usually I would vomit towards the evening, towards nighttime. It's called morning sickness, but it happens to me towards the evening. And I had a mucus-like discharge. I think this is the week that I first experienced having discharge, which my doctor said is pretty normal. That's the time when I had to start having a lot of breakouts because my skin just became extra oily during this period. Oh yeah, and I love red meat. But for this week, I hate red meat. It's just so hard for me to eat red meat. Beef and broccoli, I love that so much. Pork, I despise that during this week.
Just to add, I'm just eating small frequent meals, and usually my meals would kind of look like this. It's not too much, but that's the only thing I could stomach at that time.
And I burped a lot, and I always pass gas a lot as well. And for April 1, I vomited once, which is good. For April 2, I did not vomit. However, I had a lot of morning sickness throughout the entire day. I think I was able to do like some walking, but that's pretty much it. It's hard for me to go back to my usual exercise routine, especially if I'm having a lot of nausea throughout the day, and it was just hard for me to eat during this week. So that happened for April 2 and 3. So I did not vomit, but I experienced a lot of nausea. My ring was still on, belly button in. For April 4, I vomited once, okay? But for April 4, I kind of felt a bit better during this day. I don't know, for some reason, the last day of my week 9, I felt kind of better. So I was kind of full of myself and had a very heavy lunch, which was a very bad idea. And I also had matcha green tea because that's like one of my favorite green tea ever. So I had matcha green tea, and then towards the evening, like 7 o'clock, I vomited so much. And guess the color of my vomit. It was matcha green tea looking. It kind of confirmed that the reason why I vomited was because of the matcha green tea. I don't know, it just had this bright matcha green color when I vomited it. So it kind of showed that even though about 7 hours has passed, my stomach was not able to digest the matcha green tea properly at that time. And that was 7:30 p.m. At that time, it was very difficult for me to swallow even water. So I became a bit dehydrated, but not to the point that I had to have dextrose, but it was very hard to swallow water. I just forced myself to drink water by taking a lot of few sips at a time, but I can't just gulp water. And oh my gosh, like I really wanted to drink water, but it's just so hard because my throat was very painful at that time because of the excessive vomiting that happened because of that matcha green tea. So yeah, that's what happened to me during week 9 of pregnancy, and I hope that you guys find this video useful. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be able to see the follow-up video, which is for week 10. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!